Good day, sir. So this is my midterm presentation. My name is Ria Angeline B. Balana, and let's go. So, ang pinakauna na project na ako na napili is online shopping application, which only have project overview. So the project is a simple system that demonstrates the basic flow of the user in an online shopping application. It is composed of three main modules: the login form, the registration form, and the dashboard. So this presentation was presented in September 4. So, mo ni iyang login form. So, when the user opens the system, they are first presented with the login form. If the user does not have an account, the system notifies them to create one through the registration form. So, the login form also has a validation features. If the user leaves any text field empty, a prompt will you're reminding them to please fill in all fields. So, mo ni ihang nag-inform. So, mo ni ang makita once na dili ka mag-fill up sa kuan required na text field. So, kung wala kay account, once na mag-click ka aning create account, navigate ka dito as sa registration form. So, mo ni ihang registration form. So the registration form allows the user to enter the information and creates an account. Once the registration process is complete, the system provides a notification that the account has been successfully registered. The user can then proceed to log in using their credentials. So, ihang mga credential is the full name, email, username, password, and confirm password. So, and then, once na paghumanan nimo og register, naay mo gawas nga ng notification again nga registration successful. So mag pag once na ma-click na nimo og register, pwede na ka mag-login dito sa iyang login form. So once na maka-login na ka dito or after logging in, the user is directed to the dashboard. The dashboard serves as the main interface where the user can browse items, add selected products to the shopping cart, and view the details of the items they have chosen. By clicking on the desired items, the user can add it directly to the cart. So, once na pag mag add to cart na ka is pag once na i-click nimo ng add to cart, na mo gawas na dialogue na added to cart smartphone $300. So, pwede po nimo na i-view ang imuhang cart. So, once na i-view nimo na is ma ma-navigate na pud ka dito sa my cart, which is additionally the system provides a separate button to view all the items currently in the cart, giving the user a clear summary of their ordered products. Back na po ka dito. Once na napakay gusto i-order, back lang ka dito sa catalog or dito sa product catalog. And then, so, according to my observation, ang iyang mga gigamit na Java Abstract Windows Toolkit components is Frame, which is main window that holds all components, panel, organized form fields with and buttons. Button performs action like register, clear, exit, confirm. Label displays text to identify fields. Then text field allow user input credentials. And then catalog frame shows available items or details. And then list display registered attendees or selected items. So, um, ang iyang GUI layout is begin with a login form that guides the user to either log in or register if they don't have an account. After logging in, the dashboard provides option to browse items, add them to the cart, and then view order details. So the design follows a clear flow from account creation to shopping and cart management, making it simple and practical. So, um, event and functionalities niya is mao lang man ang ako na screenshot. So mao ni ang iyahang register confirmation nga button nga na action listener na once na mag-click ng ano ang register account or register na mo gawas na text na registration successful, and then mao ni ang iyahang back button naapod ni siya add action listener, and also dito as napoy katong button dito as sa back to catalog na katong sa pag once na ma-view na nimo ang cart pwede ka mag-back dito sa sa catalog para mag-order og usab. And then sa project 2 or so mao ni iyang project sa project 2 is real estate system. So mao ni akong overview ato nga system. So nakabali lang gid ang September 4 ug September 3. So this this was presented in September 3. So mao ni ang iyang admin dashboard. So the first module created in the system is the admin dashboard, which which serve as the center for the landlord or administrator. From here, the admin can oversee the system features and navigate to different sections. A login form was also implemented to secure access, ensuring that only authorized user can enter the system. In addition, the project includes a home button that allows the user to easily navigate back to the home section of the application. So, as you can see, naara diri sa taas ang ang navigation niya para sa home, login, register, admin, login. So, ang mao ni iyang login form. So, the login button allows the user to access the system. When clicked, it triggers a model notification that confirms successful login or validates the entered account name before granting access. So, mao ni ang iyang model notification which is welcome landlord once na mag-login na ang landlord. Pero, sa next slide is the registration form. About sa registration form. So, it enables new users to create an account. When this button is clicked, the information entered by user is registered into the system, allowing them to log in afterwards. So, kung wala pa account ano, ang, ang user, so pwede lang siya magbuhat diretso og account and then click lang ang register para mag nana siya account ani nga system. So, once na ma-click na po ang registration, nana po yung modal notification nga makabutang is registration feature would be implemented here. Okay. Sa clear button, nag-add siya og action listener na um, is used to reset the form fields. By clicking this, all the text entered in the input containers is removed, allowing the user to re-enter the details without manually deleting them. Para dili na maglisod ang mga users na mag mag-delete pa sa ilang mga gipang butang once na mali. So i-click na nila ang clear kay para mawala na dahil tanan mga gipang input nila sa container. So mao ni ang iyang home module. So according sa presenter wala ni siya yung mga functionality since wala pa may nakabutang place. So mao lang gid ang itsura sa iyang home portal. So sa Java Abstract Windows Toolkit components sa presenter number 2 is na siya frame, panels, level, text field, buttons, and dialog that shows notification for successful registration, validation or errors, and then na siya main content area which ang card layout. So mao ni ang card layout. Naa na diri ang katong button sa navigation or home sa yung mga button sa iyang dashboard na ano home or home admin yung login. Tapos sa iyang GUI layout, so the layout centers on an admin dashboard supported by a login form to secure access, navigation, or straightforward with a home button included for easy return to the main section. The design highlights functionality and control, reflecting the role of the landlord and administration in managing the system. So, ang iyang event at functionalities, since maoro man pud ni ang ako ang mga screenshot, so, ang iyahalang navigation actions, which is ang home, ang katong login or register nga button o ang admin. And then, nini sa action for login. So, nagamit ni siya og kuan. So, giset na niya daan ang iyang password o iyang username as landlord, and then the password is 1234. So, once na ma-success, magbutang na og katong kuan notification na welcome landlord, and then if failed, invalid username or password. So sa Project 3, which is in September 5, the event attendee registration system. Let's user enter their details, register, and confirm payment for event participation. Once payment is confirmed, the attendee's information is saved and displayed in the registered attendees list. So, mo ni iyang registration form. It allows user to input personal details such as full name, email, phone number, gender, which is optional, ticket type, and address using text field, labels, and drop-downs. So, once na kay account, pwede na ka magbayad. And then, pag humani mong bayad is sa payment confirmation, it displays the registered attendees information along with the payment status and includes a button to confirm payment, changing it to pending to confirm. So once na pag humana kag bayad, i-confirm pa na dayon niya. Pag once i-click na ng confirm payment, mag-navigate tayong kadito sa bikas na dashboard, which is ang register attendees list. Shows all participants who have successfully completed registration and payment, providing a clear record of attendees. And then, so ang iyang Java Abstract Window Toolkit components is label, text field, text area, button, frame, panel to structure the registration form, payment, confirmation window, and registered attendees section, and then list or tables for displaying the list of registered attendees. And then, iyang GUI layout is organized into 3 sections: the registration form, the payment confirmation area, and the registered attendees lists, which follows a clear step-by-step flow. Labels are aligned with text field for easy input, while buttons are grouped neatly for users' convenience. Overall, the design is simple, functional, and user-friendly. So, ang since wala man ko'y na screenshot na mga sa iyahang code, and then according sa observation sa iyahang presentation, so naa siya registered button, so that saves users input data. So nag-add siya action listener code sa clear button na mag-resets all the text fields and selection in the form, and then exit button that closes the application or frame, and then confirmation payment button or confirm payment button that updates the attendee's payment status from pending to confirm and adds the user to the registered attendees list. So, mao lang to ang akong mga na-observe na presentation sa ako ang classmate, and then thank you po.